In this video, I will show you how to calculate the first 6 month sale and then the last 6 month sales. In other words, you can say first half and second half also. So let's start here. So this is one of our table having the month and sales from this order table sales. Now here I will calculate how to do the first 6 month and last 6 month sale. So let's start here. So we'll use the calculate functions. Sum orders sales then filter date month since it is the first half, so it should be less than or equal to 6. Now run it. So now we'll trigger here. So here we can see here first 6 month here showing here like January, February, March, April, May, June here. So till June month it is showing here. So now we'll use another DEX to calculate the last 6 month sale here. So let's start. So last 6 month sale is equal to, we'll use the calculate function. After that, sum filter, after that date, month, date greater than equal to 6. Since here we are taking the after 6 months, means July, August, September, October month. So here date will be greater than 6 here. Now run it. Now we'll move this here. Here we can say for July, August, September, October, November, December. In second half, here it is showing here. Total value is 1492,009.6 here. First half, this is the first half, this is the second half. This is the total for the first half, this is the total for the second half. So this is the way to calculate the first 6 months sale and last 6 months sale. I hope you like the video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel SNT Power Vision. Thank you.